how many students in your group? Tarav. Aha, very well, 9. Look, no, do you see, during this semester you should make stamp calculate graphical work, not graphical work, term project for calculation parameter for stamp, for cutting process, for thin sheet metal pot. Do you see here I have variants for your group? And list with information about your material and properties for your material, and number for variant for each of you. Do you see? Here you have variant number in order, yeah, variant for your part, material for part, and same here we have how look your part, yeah. According to this list, please select your task. Next one, I prepare for you 3 variants, 3 types, very popular types for stamp. Так, and where? Ага, вот this one. Yes. No, let's start from. Do you see a progressive die and compound die? But progressive and compound die can be with different types inside in this. Do you see here? We have very simple pot with circle outer contour and with some contours inside. And here we have very simple strip. At first, we make first contour, inner contour, yeah, in this step. And next step, we make outer contour. Here we have 2 steps and progressive dia process. Step by step, we make 2 contours. One disadvantage for this main disadvantage for this process, it's accuracy. If we use this type of process, we can provide accuracy 12, H12, and worse, yeah, 12, 30, and 40. Let's check. Okay, come in. Good morning, people. We discuss about your task, and I will show you 3 different type of stamp, and will send to you to your Telegram channel, and to you can upload it from our page in Mentor. Just I will show you. Да что ж такое? Нет? Why? I can... Понятно почему. Do you see? Under in our course airplane manufacturing process, you can find link each time we will use this link during the meeting. And do you see here we have your variants list in order, and variant number, and to each of variant information about material, thickness, and accuracy. And here we have folder, and you can upload your task variant, okay? And same situation, I repeat this information to Telegram channel too. Так, okay. So here we have another type of stamp. When we use strip rotation, we will use this type of stamp for economy material. Yeah, if we will no, will put our part only without strip rotation, yeah, will be some free place here. Do you see? And many materials we waste during the process, yeah. That's why we use strip rotation if we have some difficult shape. Same situation we can find in book. I add this book. I hope I will check it. Yeah, we have many different type of. Do you see? First simple variant, like in this, yeah? Step by step, at first inner contour, then outer contour. And same situation, do you see? Simple progressive die. At first we make inner contour, then outer contour in this step. Here, same situation. Different only in this place. Do you see? We will use knife for stop process in this correct position. Do you see? No. And here we use strip rotation. When at first we make these parts, yeah, like T, then rotate it and already cut another side of strip. Same situation with strip rotation. Do you see? Here we have another type of strip arrangement. We use not cylindrical punch. We use punch like X shape, yeah, and we separate two different parts in one time, yeah. And why it's so good decision for stamp? We can make a strip without bridges between strips and separate it only with help one punch. Так, окей. То есть difference between two schemes only in strip arrangement, in part arrangement in the strip. But scheme here is same. Here we have two views for stamp. And in this scheme we use classical elements of stamp. First one, it's lower, lower part. Next one, dia. Then do you see it's not space between two plates, it's sliding bars. Between these sliding bars we move our strip, and these sliding bars can provide for us quality for this part. Good quality, yeah. Next part, it's immovable strip holder. Each time when we move our punches up, our strip together with punches move up. Так, here, strip holder, yeah. And here we have our strip. This one. No, and upper half we have punch holder. In this punch holder we setting with stress or punches, and upper plate. Between upper plate and punch holder, we usually add protective plate. This protective plate save us upper plate each time when we cut strip here, because each time we use some big force for cutting material, and each time we push to our upper plate, and for protective from destroying our upper plate, we use here very thin but very with high properties, very hard steel plate here in this place. That's all, yeah. It's classical set of stamp for progressive die. Here, same situation. Do you see? We have same set of pot. Lower, die, sliding bars, strip holder, punch holder, protective plate, and upper plate. That's all. Different between two schemes only in strip. And the last variant, more difficult, and can let it be another type of opening. Do you see? Same, very simple part. Do you see? Circle with all inside. Very simple strip, but very difficult construction in stamp. Because inside we have movable strip, for example. Here, do you see? It's rubber buffer. Each time when we move down our stamp, we press to rubber buffer, and when we open it or upper half, move up with help rubber buffer and move up or apart in this place from punch, yeah, from die. Different between two schemes. In progressive die, we have classical names and classical parts with one option for each of element of stamp. Here we have, in one time, we make, do you see here we have, it's or strip. Here we have waste material, do you see inside? And here we have ready part. How it make it? In time when we cut this inner contour, we use this punch, and punch use only one option, yeah? Cut material inside in our part. And then we, for inner contour, this part, yeah, we use like, no, and here, and here, yeah, and so on. We use this part for like supporting, yeah, for strip, and this part called dia. То есть for inner contour, this element is part punch, this element is dia. But in same time, this dia will be for outer contour for ready part, like punch. Yeah. If we imagine that here, let it be seen. Here it will be punch for future outer contour for ready part. That's why in one time, in one stamping process, we give for this part two different options. In one time it's punch, in another time it's dia. And this element we call it with double names, punch dia. And for same for outer contour for ready part, here we have element like dia, same color. Do you see here this element? Yeah, will be dia for outer contour. Не совсем тот цвет получился. No, I hope you understand. Here we have punch dia, two colors here. And here we have only dia, and here we have only punch. Так, ну, it's main difference between two. What you should do for beginning? You should decide how will be look your part in your strip. It will be one part, or it will be two parts, like with strip rotation. I find several parts like T-shape, or no, and recommend you use strip rotation. And no, everyone can use simple type of stamp, like progressive dia. But because do you see, I prepare for you properties, well, not properties, accuracy for your material for your part, like 12, 14, not better than 12. That's why you can use progressive dia for all your parts. No, if someone wish, can select this compound type of dia, but you can use and more simple type of dia. Так, ну, and you should decide how look your part in this strip and find bridges between part and between strips. Do you see? Between part we have bridge, and each time it will be equal, and bridge will be between strips here. Do you see? And you should find it with help standard tables. Here we have tables, page 7 in book in Rudman. I will send it to you to Telegram. These bridges depend on thickness of material. If we have done 1 millimeter, your bridge for both sides, do you see, will be less than 2 millimeters, and depend on parameter of your part. If your part 60 millimeters in diameter, and circle or non-circle, То есть you should select your bridges to next time and make strip scheme for your strip, yeah, with bridges. Bridges, select please from this book, from page number 7, according your thickness of material, according your dimensions of your part, and according of shape of part, circle or non-circle. And here, do you see, if you have steel, you can use from this book and it will be real size. If you have aluminium alloy, please multiply your bridge from this table with 1.3, okay? I hope you understand it. Ну, кто там у нас сегодня? Present now. Okay, boys, do you understand what I want? Так, hello. Who? Sarah, but you were present at beginning. You restart? Так, окей. Hello.
Good day, ma.
Good day. Look, I already explained what I want that you start working. In this semester, you should make a term project, and this term project will be your technological section in your diploma. And it will be set of, it should be like set of documents. In our course, you can find a link. Each time we will start from this link, yeah? You can see here task for each of you with number of student and with number of variant. And
yes, I was in the class. I heard you.
Very well.
Yes.
Okay, can I upload this information to Telegram or not need? Will be
Yes.
better it in Telegram, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Look, here very useful information, book, example, content in this book, Rudman, and title, task list. You can use this for like instruction for your term project. And do you see here folder assembly drawing stamp? And to this folder you should upload your ready term project. And here, do you see, you can read set of your project. Title, task, explanatory note, yeah, drawings for stamp, assembly drawing, and 2 drawings of part. No, and part list with a list of elements for your assembly drawing stamp. Так. Okay, now I upload to Mentor to Telegram 3 examples for type of stamps, and link. Let it be in our group already, yeah. And book and task, okay, variants of your task. No,
Okay.
If you have no question, I understand now very difficult for asking, yes, because we meeting in first time. You can try start and